Making money is one of the oldest goals in human history, but the way people make money has changed dramatically in the digital age. Years ago, most people depended on traditional jobs where they exchanged time for income. Today, technology has created new opportunities that allow ordinary people to build businesses from home using only a smartphone or a laptop. The simple process shown in this model starts with an idea and a plan, then moves to building a system, and eventually turns into income and long-term wealth. Every successful financial journey begins with a plan. Most people focus on making money, but very few spend time planning how they are going to make it. Planning is important because money without a strategy usually disappears quickly. Successful people often spend a significant amount of time thinking about opportunities, researching markets, and deciding which business model fits their skills and goals. The first step is deciding what kind of income you want to build. There are generally two types of income. The first is active income, which means you work and immediately get paid for your time. The second is business income, where systems and processes continue generating money even when you are not actively working every minute. Many people choose online business models because they offer flexibility and lower startup costs. Technology has made it possible for someone sitting in a small apartment to build a business that reaches customers around the world. This opportunity did not exist for most people just a few decades ago. The next step in the process is creating a system. A system is simply a repeatable process that can generate income consistently. Businesses make money because they have systems. They know how to find customers, deliver products, provide services, and collect payments. One of the biggest mistakes people make is focusing only on money instead of building systems. Money is usually the result of providing value through a well-organized system. Businesses that solve problems efficiently tend to make more money because customers are willing to pay for solutions. A computer and a smartphone have become powerful business tools. These devices allow people to learn new skills, communicate with customers, create products, manage stores, and earn income from almost anywhere. Millions of businesses around the world operate primarily through digital devices. One way people make money is by selling products online. E-commerce has become one of the fastest growing industries because consumers increasingly prefer shopping from home. People can sell physical products, digital products, or even services through online platforms. Another way people make money is by offering skills. Writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, marketing, and consulting have all become popular online careers. A person can learn a valuable skill and offer that service to clients around the world. Content creation has also become a major source of income. Videos, blogs, podcasts, and social media content can generate money through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. Many creators start as individuals and eventually build large businesses. Affiliate marketing is another income method. In this model, people recommend products and earn commissions when others make purchases through their recommendations. This business model has become popular because it requires relatively low startup costs. Freelancing is another powerful way to earn money. Businesses constantly need skilled workers for projects, and many companies prefer hiring freelancers because it provides flexibility. Freelancers can work from home and often have the ability to choose their own schedules. Digital products have also become a major opportunity. Ebooks, online courses, templates, and software products can be created once and sold repeatedly. This creates the possibility of earning income without having to recreate the product every time a customer makes a purchase. The internet has dramatically reduced the barriers to starting a business. In the past, opening a company often required large amounts of money, physical locations, and employees. Today, many businesses can be started with minimal resources and operated entirely online. The most successful people usually begin by identifying problems. Every business exists because it solves a problem. Customers pay money because they want something improved, simplified, or fixed. Understanding problems is one of the most valuable business skills. Research is another important part of making money. Successful entrepreneurs spend time studying markets, competitors, and customer behavior. They try to understand what people want and how they can provide it better than others. Learning is also essential. The economy changes constantly and new opportunities appear every year. People who continue learning often have an advantage because they adapt faster than others. Many people believe that making money requires extraordinary talent, but this is not always true. Consistency often matters more than talent. Small actions repeated every day can eventually produce significant results. Building income usually takes time. Many successful businesses spend months or even years developing before becoming highly profitable. Patience is one of the most valuable qualities in business because results rarely happen overnight. Another important concept is leverage. Leverage means using tools, systems, or other resources to increase results. Technology is one of the greatest forms of leverage because it allows one person to serve many customers efficiently. Automation is another powerful idea. Businesses become more profitable when repetitive tasks are automated. Automation saves time, reduces errors, and allows owners to focus on growth. Many people start their financial journey by creating side income while keeping their regular jobs. This approach reduces risk and allows them to learn business skills gradually. As income grows, some eventually transition into full-time entrepreneurship. Saving money is just as important as making money. Income alone does not create wealth. Wealth is usually built by managing money wisely and reinvesting profits into assets and opportunities. Investing is another major part of financial growth. Businesses often use profits to expand operations, create new products, hire employees, or improve technology. Reinvestment allows businesses to grow over time. The idea of scaling is important because a business that depends entirely on one person has limitations. Systems, processes, and technology allow businesses to serve more customers without increasing effort at the same rate. Networking also plays a significant role in making money. Relationships often create opportunities. Business partnerships, mentors, and professional connections can provide knowledge and open doors that would otherwise remain closed. Communication skills are extremely valuable because business is ultimately about people. Companies that understand customers and communicate effectively often perform better than competitors. Discipline is another key factor. Many people start businesses with enthusiasm but struggle with consistency. Building income often requires daily effort and long-term commitment. Fear is one of the biggest reasons people never start. They fear failure, criticism, or uncertainty. However, every successful entrepreneur has experienced challenges and setbacks. Failure is often part of the learning process. Adaptability is also important. Markets change, technology evolves, and customer preferences shift over time. Businesses that adapt usually survive and continue growing. Another major concept is value creation. Income tends to increase when a person provides greater value to others. Businesses that solve important problems or improve lives often generate larger profits. Time management is critical because everyone has the same number of hours in a day. Successful people usually prioritize important tasks and avoid distractions that do not contribute to their goals. Goals provide direction. Without clear goals, people often work hard but move in random directions. Goals help individuals focus their efforts and measure progress. The digital economy has made entrepreneurship accessible to more people than ever before. Someone with determination and an internet connection can learn valuable skills, build systems, and create opportunities that once required significant resources. Mobile technology has further expanded these possibilities. Smartphones are no longer simply communication devices. They are business tools capable of handling emails, meetings, research, marketing, and financial management. Laptops remain important because they provide more power and efficiency for complex tasks. Many entrepreneurs use both smartphones and laptops together because each offers unique advantages. The process of making money often begins with a simple idea. That idea turns into a plan. The plan becomes action. Action creates systems. Systems produce value for customers. Customers pay money and profits are generated. However, making money is not the end goal for many entrepreneurs.